How to fix banned on TikTok Live. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To fix TikTok Live banned, you simply need to launch TikTok first. Log into your account. Proceed to its profile at bottom right. Tap three line at top right. Choose setting in privacy. Scroll to the bottom. Choose report a problem. And you will land on this page. Under Topics, choose Live and expand the section. You might get the option for Suspended Live. If you don't, tap Suggestion for TikTok Live. Now tap No button and tap Need More Help. You will land on this TikTok Help desk where you have to choose Live, and here you will see frequently asked questions related to Live. Tap My Live is banned, and TikTok will come with the common solution. So you need to confirm the following, that ensure you are using the latest version of TikTok, be 18 years of age or older to go live, have 1000 or more followers to go live. So it may vary across regions. So you need to appreciate the understanding of TikTok, and if you do not match those of the criteria, maybe due to the reason your TikTok live is banned. On my case, I don't have 1000 or more followers to go live. So if you relate to this, then you can easily wait for few years or maybe months and then help to fix banned on TikTok live. So I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.